Hola! Today we're sharing a traditional dessert people in Spain typically eat at Easter. But nowadays, it is so much in demand that you can find this treat in a restaurant menu at any time of the year. It is called torrijas, or the Spanish cousin of the French toast. So if you're ready, let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description box below. First, we get our bread. It should be stale from a couple of days before, ideally. And we cut it like this, a couple of fingers width. Now we get our lemon and we peel it. We only need the zest of it. Like this. Now we crack our eggs. I'm using 3 in total. We beat them. And now we add a liter of milk into our pot. We set it to a medium fire. We add some cinnamon stick, the lemon zest, and from the sugar we have, I'm going to add 5 tablespoonfuls. We stir it constantly in a medium fire, as I said, and meanwhile we prepare the bread on a tray. Keep stirring, and when it starts boiling, it is ready. So set it aside, take everything out. And now it's time to carefully and evenly drench the toast with this milk. Now we're gonna let the toast cool for, say, half an hour or so. We prepare the olive oil, and when it's nice and hot, it's time to put our toast in egg, and carefully we fry them. Now we turn them around to make sure they're nice and brown on both sides. Now they're ready. We prepare our mixture of cinnamon and sugar. And we coat our toast, our torrijas, in this mixture. This is how people normally have them, but we love to have this dessert with a little bit of ice cream or clotted cream on the side, and with a touch of pistachio. That is wonderful. We prepared a bit of tea for the occasion. And now it's the moment of truth. Let's see how they turned out. Ooh, looks really nice and soft. That's how you want it. You don't want it dry inside. Let me add a bit of the cream. And some pistachios. Looks gorgeous. Let's see. This is wonderful, delicious. 5 stars to this torrija. So, buen provecho. Enjoy. Adiós.